It is alive, but it needs rescue care and ocean water today.
Dad, he is covering the turtle box like he wants to hide it.
This baby turtle is free now, but everything will change very soon. It is small, slow, and alone, but the ocean is its home. Then one fishing net pulls the little turtle away from its path. A baby turtle? This should not be inside my fishing net. Maybe someone in the city will pay for a rare little turtle. The turtle should go back to the sea, but it is taken away. It is small and special. Children will love seeing it here. I only found it in my net, Doctor. Do what you want. Now the little turtle is far from home, where no wave can reach it.
Mom, my tooth feels strange, and I really do not like dentist chairs.
I know you feel nervous, but we are right here with you.
We will check your tooth, ask questions, and leave together.
You faced dark rooms before. A dentist light is not a monster. Maybe, but that chair still looks like it wants to eat me.
Here we are. Take a breath, Jace. We go in together. Good morning, Jace. Come in, and we will check your tooth today.
Wait, why is there a little turtle in that small glass box? Dad, it looks tired. It does not look like a happy pet.
You are right. This turtle looks weak, and this place feels wrong.
It says lucky water pet, but this does not look lucky.
Stay gentle, Jace. We need to ask before we do anything.
It is only a small water turtle. It is safe in my office.
Sir, it does not feel safe. It feels like it wants to go home.
You are here for your tooth, Jace, not for my little pet. Open your mouth, please. This will be quick and simple.
I will try, but my heart is still with the turtle.
You can feel worried and still be brave, my sweet boy.
Your tooth is fine. Brush better at night, and you will be okay.
My tooth is okay, but that turtle is not okay. It keeps pushing the glass like it is asking for help.
Doctor, where did you get this turtle? It looks like a sea turtle. No, it is not a sea turtle. It is just a water turtle.
If it is only a water turtle, why does it look so weak?
The checkup is finished. Please pay at the front desk.
I do not want to leave it here, but I know we cannot just take it.
That is right. We help by using our heads, not by breaking rules.
Dad, I see a paper under the box, and it says Old Pier.
Do not touch it. Just remember it, and I will remember too.
There is a blue string under the table, near the turtle box.
Little turtle, I am leaving now, but I will not forget you.
Please do not stand too close to the glass box. Jace came for one tooth, but he found one small life in danger. We cannot steal the turtle, but we can call the right people now.
I will call Wildlife Rescue and tell them everything we saw. Please tell them it is very small and very tired. Hello, we saw a baby turtle kept inside a dentist office. You think it may be a sea turtle? Yes, it looked very weak. Weak means it needs help soon, not tomorrow or next week. They said if it is a sea turtle, it needs help today.
Then we need clear details before the officer arrives here.
The paper said Old Pier, and the dentist looked nervous.
We will check the old pier, but we stay together every second.
I am scared for it, but I can still move with you.
The clue leads them away from the office and back toward the sea.
Stay close, Jace. A brave heart still needs careful feet.
This is the Old Pier. The turtle was probably here this morning.
This sign says sea turtles caught in nets must be reported.
So someone knew what to do. But the turtle was still sold.
Are you looking for something near my boat? We are looking for information about a baby turtle caught this morning.
I found one, but I did not know it was a big problem.
The sign says to call rescue. Selling it can hurt the turtle.
I thought money was easy, but maybe I made a bad choice.
That blue string looks like the one under the dentist table.
I will take photos so the officer can understand the whole story.
The dentist said it was only for his office, not for the sea.
It came from the sea, so it should go back to the sea.
The officer is near the dentist office now. We must go back.
Tell the officer I will explain what happened this morning.
The curtains are half closed now. They were open before.
Dad, he is covering the turtle box like he wants to hide it.
Stay back, honey. We help best when we stay safe.
The dentist may be moving the turtle now. We are outside.
The small box is moving. I think the turtle is inside.
I want to run there, but I know that could make danger bigger.
Waiting is hard, but right now, waiting is the brave choice.
Who reported the baby sea turtle in this dentist office?
We did. We also found photos from the old pier.
The dentist said it was not a sea turtle, but he is hiding it now.
Thank you. Stay here and let me check the box safely. Sir, please stop and put the box down on the ground.
This is not a sea turtle. It is only my water pet.
The photos show the old pier, a turtle warning sign, and your box.
Please be alive, little turtle. Please still have enough strength.
It is alive, but it needs rescue care and ocean water today. I wanted something special, but I made a selfish mistake.
It is not just special. It is alive, and it deserves home.
The turtle was taken from the sea, and now it is going back.
This place feels right. The ocean looks ready to welcome it back. We let it crawl by itself so it can feel the sand again.
Go home, little friend. I hope the sea feels warm again. You were scared today, but your kind heart stayed very strong.
A small animal can still have a very big story.
Today, one small voice helped one small life return home.